Hey guys, it's Aaron. I'm back again. For the next tutorial on glares, I'm going to start with the exact same shape that I made in the first tutorial, just without the glare on it, just to save some time. And this technique is going to make a bitmap glare layer, so it won't be scalable. The size that you make it at is going to be pretty much the size it's going to stay at. You could shrink it down and it would look okay, but you wouldn't want to take this one and make it a certain size and then try to make it bigger later. This effect will give us more of a sphere, more of a ball type reflection. So I'm going to go to my ellipse layer. I'm going to hold down the Control or Command key and click on it, click on the vector, and it'll make a selection from the vector shape. Then I'll go to my select menu, modify. I'm going to contract it by 2 pixels. And then I'm going to make a new layer, call that glare. And with my default color selected, if you don't have your default color selected, you can just hit D. And I actually had them swapped. So with the default color selected, it really doesn't matter what color I fill it with because I'm going to apply a layer effect. But just for the sake of the tutorial, I'll fill it with white. So I hold down, to fill with the background color, hold down Control or Command and hit Delete. I can hit Control D to deselect my marquee. And now I'm going to apply the layer first before I alter the shape. So take your fill and bring it down to 0 again so that we don't see any of the original fill layer. Apply a gradient to it. Again, a gradient that has 2 white stop points. Go down to about 10% with the 1, about 75 with the top. And now I'm going to distort this shape. So go to Edit, Transform, Scale. And first I'm going to grab the bottom anchor point and I'm just going to squish it up like this. It's probably about 50%, maybe a little bit past 50%. And then say OK to that. And now I'm going to go Edit, Transform, Perspective. Grab one of the corners, bring that in a little bit until it looks about right. And there you go. And now you have more of a sphere type reflection. So it looks a little bit more like a glass orb or something like that. So that is the second reflection technique in this tutorial series. And I've got one more to show you, and I will have that for you in the next video, so stay tuned. Thanks.